we're back with the Bronco. Look, there's the busted motor. This is a new one to try. I'm gonna go for that one, the Titan. I don't know what the hell these are. But before that, we're going to chuck the transmitter receiver in, so it should be good to test it once we get going. Alright, so there's been a bit of messing around and it keeps breaking connection signal with this antenna. If I put it over here, not doing it now, but I've got the steering running off the radio. And then I've also got this front diff servo and the transmission servo. I had to change out this broken servo in the middle. So the next step is to plug in one of these new motors I tested. See how that goes. I'll put the time lapse back on, but this is just a test. So, to see if this motor is going to even work for us before we proceed. So let's turn the radio on, check the battery in. I'm not getting anything out of that motor, am I? This motor. Seems way too fast for me crawler. Let's try this again. In case it works. Nothing. This is my seized one, I just got it to turn. So brute force. Let's plug her in, eh? Fixed it. This is so fast. We're going to stick with the old one for now and see what we can do. Should make things a bit simpler. Alright, we're going to go into some time lapse. We're going to mount the motor back in. Maybe think about some axles. Okay, so I pulled that open thinking I was going to get my diff locking cable, install it. But this actually has the, be hard to see, but the diff locking cable's hot glued up the hole there. And so this is just the full locked differential. So we're just going to cover it back up and use that. That's fine. Had a little bit of trouble attaching this part. There was like a circlip underneath. But remove that, got that on, no worries. You can see it looks pretty simple, looks pretty clean. And I imagine it's the same for the other front diff, no unlockable. That's okay. So a few silly mistakes there, which would have made it a lot easier. But anyway. Let's set the endpoints on that steering, it's working. That's high gear. I just manually changed it. Well, we've come a long way, baby. In the next video we'll be doing some finishing touches, removing some servos which aren't going to be needed now we've only got full lock diff. Yeah, sorting out, the body's going to still be rough. I've got another body option. A few things going on, so yeah, click subscribe, keep an eye out for part 3, and then the Bronco should be out in the rocks again. Thanks for watching, you bloody legends. TotalScumbagRC.